Hi, I'm Mark Cunningham. We've got an event coming up that's going to be held in Las Vegas in August as part of the HypnoThoughts Live annual convention for professional hypnotists on what we call conditioning for permanent change. Now, this is a class that I've given sporadically, intermittently over the years, because it's something that all professionals need to learn to do is how to get that significant change, the lasting change, the convincing change in the first session, and then what do you do in order to anchor that so firmly that they're not only hooked on this new resultant behavior, the new resultant persona, but it's self-perpetuating, it's self-energizing, and in fact, if you do it correctly, you can get them hooked on the process of positive change. And so every time they introduce a new element, a new positive element into their life, it just chains right back and anchors that first change, belief, behavior, sensation, whatever that you imprinted onto them. We're going to go ahead and experiment with some of the most intrusive techniques I've ever learned in my 30 years of clinical practice and show you exactly how to just go in there and kindly, compassionately get them by the brainstem and change their life powerfully forever, and do it in a way so reliably, so simply from your point of view, that you can actually now begin to offer written guarantees on your work and be able to back it up, because you're using conditioning technique so good, so strong, so fast that even the most reluctant, even the most self-sabotaging client is just going to be stunned into insensibility and then a glorious transition into a positive future. So, lecture, demonstration, round-robin exercises all day long. And you should come into this class eager not only to find out modern technique that actually works, but you need to also come in with a list of things that would prove to you that these techniques work. Because since we're in a room full of hypnotists and we're practicing on each other, may as well go in there and shovel some garbage out and get some positive change. Las Vegas, Nevada, conditioning for permanent change. We'll see you there.